Oh, yesterday you drove to Atlanta for your acting class. I told you that I would go, but I have a habit of breaking promises. As soon as you left the house, I sat down on the couch, said a quick prayer for your drive, that you'd make it there alive. But then I thought to myself, well, I really should have gone, because something could really happen, and then you'd be gone from my life and home, from my goodbyes and from my hellos. Only God knows how I'd move on, how I'd keep breathing without you, without you. Later that afternoon, you came back to the house. You greeted me and the dog, and we kissed on the mouth. We cooked some vegan food that we saw on a show, and we argued about my tone of voice and the things I should already know. It took us half an hour, but we finally patched things up, and we sat down for dinner, water in our cups. Around that time I thought I could do this forever, just me and my woman. I don't think there's any like her. From the east to west, go on, I dare you, put her to the test. From the north to south, no matter where we go, she will be the one I won't doubt. From high to low, this is what I know. Only God knows where I'd be without you, without you.
Hey, with your troubled soul, drowning in your rocking. Won't you let me hold you close, ease your pain and break your fall? I ain't no saint, but I'd like to help. I can't keep watching you lose yourself. I'll love you till your heart is full, and find a cure for your troubled soul. Find a cure for your troubled soul. through the river, march down the road, looking for a cure for a troubled soul, looking for a cure for a troubled soul. And we'll march through the river, march down the lane. I'll help you carry all your pain. And we'll march through the river, march down the road, looking for a cure for a troubled soul, looking for a cure for a troubled soul.
Teach my soul to sing your song, even when my eyes can't see. When I can't seem to carry on, I know your hand is guiding me. I know your hand is guiding me. Through the valley I may walk, but you are all I'll ever need. Gave your life to take my fall, so in the storm I will have peace. So come the storm I'll still believe. it seems I'm at the end, and I don't know what I believe. Through the cloud I see your hand, reaching down to guide me. You're always reaching down to guide me, 'cause I am yours and I am free.